stadium to help explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Information and will tell you about checks and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and reviews online that are giving ideas to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. See what the screen is, the room size, like amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, yes, you require to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. You should have the